Now that I moved into my first apartment, having Amazon devices with Alexa has made my life a breeze. So today I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 favorite features to try with Alexa to make your life easier. There's no better way to start my day than with Alexa. Alexa, good morning.
In New York, it's 35 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather. Next event is meeting today at 3 p.m.
This and other routines can be set up in the Alexa app. Next up, it's time to get some work done. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer for answering emails.
Okay.
I can also track other background tasks I have going on.
Alexa, remind me to empty the dishwasher in 30 minutes.
Here's your reminder to empty the dishwasher.
When it's time for dinner, Alexa helps me figure out what to eat with personalized recipe recommendations.
Alexa, open food preferences.
Here are your food preferences. You've told me that you're pescatarian.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons.
You can also set up multiple timers by name. Just say something like, Alexa, set a pasta timer for 30 minutes.
Pasta timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
Now we're all busy people and it's easy to lose track of the various items you might need to pick up from the store. That's why it's super easy to ask Alexa to add something to my shopping list so I can view and manage it all in the Amazon or Alexa app on the go. Alexa, add eggs to shopping list. Alexa, where's my stuff?
A delivery for an order placed Wednesday, December 1st. Should arrive Wednesday, February 9th.
And finally, when it's time to end the night, Alexa can help me get in the right mood with a curated playlist. It's the perfect way to listen to some new music and wind down after a long day. Alexa, play hip-hop music.
Okay.
Alexa, what should I read next?
Here's a management book you might like.
And those are 5 Alexa features to try out. Not only do these make my life easier, but allows me to take control of my day from wherever I am. Check out how cool Alexa is. Just ask, Alexa, what can you do?